compact mini refrigerator from Super General. Has a space-saving design, can fit almost anywhere, be it your kitchen, bedroom or study. It is also great for camping trips, hotel rooms, cafes, or as beverage refrigerator in offices. The modern design has a sleek white matte body and a white glossy finish door to match any interior. With 2 wire shelves adjustable to 5 levels, a fresh box, and 3 indoor cabinets, it can easily accommodate a variety of foods and beverages. The reversible door can be easily fixed to open to either direction for easy access. An additional the ice tray and freezer box make this compact, efficient and energy-saving fridge freezer an ideal addition to any living or workspace. Super freshness with Super General.